Hello friends, how are you? This is Dr. Sri Nagi, Ayurveda and Medicine Doctor and also Isha Hatha Yoga teacher. So in today's video, I am going to talk about the most common mistakes that we shouldn't do if our lungs are weak. Many times this happens, like we are very much aware of the fact like our lungs are little weaker as compared to the lungs of other people, and we very frequently get cold or chest infection, but the thing that we are not aware of, that is what to eat and what not to eat if our lungs are weak. When we go to allopathy hospitals or western medicine doctors, we go and we ask, okay, our lungs are weak. Doctor also tells us, okay, your lungs are weak, so you should take precautions. But many times this question comes in our mind, what are the foods that we can eat and what are the foods that we should avoid if we have weak lungs? And many times we get this answer, you can eat whatever you like, but your lungs are weak. So the answer for this question is there in Ayurveda, and I thought I should make a video regarding the food that is best suitable for lungs when they are weak, and it will be much more helpful for people, and it is impacting our lungs a lot. So there are certain precautions that the people who have weak lungs or who are having smoking habit or coughing or COPD, that is chronic obstructive bronchial disease, or asthma or allergic problems in the lungs, all these patients, they can follow this diet and make their lungs better. So let's see what Ayurveda has to say about the food which will help lungs to be healthy. So first and foremost thing that you should avoid if your lungs are weak, and my own lungs are also weak because of certain my past diseases when I was not into Ayurveda. So that time also I have suffered a lot of health issues regarding lungs, and after that Ayurveda came in my life, and this is how I saved my life. So there are certain properties of various things that have been mentioned in Ayurveda, and if we are aware of these things, these can be very helpful for maintenance of the health of our lungs. So first and foremost thing is coconut water. Though coconut water is full of nutrients, but if your lungs are weak, or if you have allergy, or if you have flu, or if you have influenza, or if you have common cold, or if you have asthma, or if you have COPD, that is chronic obstructive bronchial disease, or any kind of chest infection, you should avoid coconut water, because according to Ayurveda, coconut water is extremely kapha enhancing, and in all these flus or all these lung conditions, if you are drinking coconut water, assuming that it is full of nutrients, it will enhance the kapha dosh in the system, which will cause more and more inflammation in the lungs, and this can aggravate your disease. So you should avoid coconut water if you have any kind of these diseases or any lung infection.